If you're interested in learning more about Sei, this video is for you. I'm going to show you some of the top websites and how to dive in and get started learning more about it. Of course, this video is not financial advice. It is for entertainment and education purposes only. So if you want to get started in Sei, I recommend going to their X account and following them. Compass is the wallet that I recommend for Sei. There are other wallets as well which you can look at, but this one is very user-friendly and seems to be compatible with all the dApps. Here's where you go ahead and add it as a Chrome extension, just like MetaMask. Key thing obviously is to make sure to write down your seed phrase and password and store them in multiple locations. Once you have your Compass wallet installed, you can access it by clicking up here and then Compass wallet for Sei. So once you have your wallet, the next step is you need to send some Sei to it, right? So where do you buy Sei? If you're able to do it via Coinbase, that is the easiest way to do it. Buy it in Coinbase and then just send it to your Compass wallet. Other options, you can use the Sei bridge. So it's just app.sei.io/bridge. And then the other option is Rocket X. This is the one where I've heard the best things about. I have not used it. So Coinbase, you can buy it and send it to your Compass wallet. You can use the Sei third-party bridge, or you can use Rocket X. So once you have some Sei in your Compass wallet and you're ready to explore, this is the NFT marketplace, Pallet Exchange, the top marketplace right now for Sei NFTs. The top 3 collections right now are WeBump, Seians, and the Colony. These 3 have separated themselves so far from the pack, but make sure to do your own research. Don't dive into anything without doing a lot of research on it. In terms of DEXs, Astroport is currently the top DEX for Sei. It looks a lot like Radium on Solana. This is where you can swap Sei for meme coins such as Seian, which is one of the top meme coins. The main thing is to make sure that you've selected the Sei network before you make a swap, right? Before you swap your Sei for Seian or any other meme coin on Astroport. For charts, coinhall.org is sort of like the DEX screener for Sei. This is where you can see some of the top meme coins available as they pop up and monitor them. Again, right now the one that's probably most popular is Seian. This is where you can see market cap, liquidity, and so forth. These are the most recent buys and sells, just like DEX Screener. So that's just a quick overview of how to get started with Sei if you're interested. Again, the easiest place to purchase it is Coinbase. If you're not able to do that, then you can use the third-party Sei bridge, or you could use Rocket X. The most user-friendly wallet and top wallet for Sei currently is Compass, and it's just a Chrome browser extension, just like MetaMask. And then the top marketplace for NFTs on Sei is Pallet. Top DEX is Astroport. This is where you can swap Sei for meme coins such as Seian. And then for charts, coinhall.org is the place you want to go. One of the best ways to learn more about Sei is that for each project that you find, make sure to follow on X. And this is really where you'll learn the most about Sei and all the different dApps and protocols that are being built on it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.